Yeah, welcome to the shed where the kings reside. Holdings roar, falcons glide. Grip the wheel, let the torque collide. Aussie garage, we ride with pride. Back in the bay, where the oil runs deep. Tools in hand, no time for sleep. Street machine dreams, chrome and flame. Every bill got a story and a name. We don't flex with the showroom shine. We flex with scars and a steel spine. Rusted gold from scrap to star. That's how we do it. Aussie car. Kingswood GTs, power and grit. V8 thunder, never quit. Burn out smoking.
You have to hide my engine. Nobody knows what it is yet.
Oh,
It's top secret.
that is top secret, and I will blur that out. So you're all good there. All right, welcome back to the channel. I am at a secret location here at Low Standards. This is a South Australian-based YouTube content creator. Does an awesome thing for the community. Giveaways of these different cars that he has. He builds up from scratch, you know, rusty wrecks to amazing, awesome, low standards, low-rider cars. Just wicked. So he's famous for the VN that was cruising around many years ago with the rotary in it. And then the VL, the yellow VL that you guys would have known about with the rotary, that was a piece of work that. So that's actually here today. So I'm going to go have a walk around, check out what he has here, and yeah, hope you enjoy the video. Just something different. Yeah, thumbs up if you enjoy it. Give it a share. Follow Jay down below at Low Standards, and I'll put all of his details there. And check his YouTube channel out, and you know, his websites and all that. I'll put all that below. So anyways, let's get into it and suss this out. Let's go. So this Skyline here is running a 4JJ1 Isuzu motor, turbo diesel. It's a bit of a weapon.
Treads go hard, hard up the street. That's Aussie garage. Aussie garage. We keep it real. Chrome and steel. That hometown feel. Engines roar, let the sound go large. You're rolling with the crew. Aussie garage. Yeah, Aussie garage. Built, not bought. Respect, earn, not fame. We saw it from the suburbs to the red dirt yard. We run this game. Aussie garage.
Okay, I can see there's a Toyota Aristo there. That was the giveaway car at the Adelaide Auto Expo Hot Rod Show. So that's getting drawn in a couple of weeks on the YouTube channel. What a piece of work that is. What do you guys think of this Tirana? Looks $1 million this. Very restorable. I would say that would make a really great car. I reckon that Jay will restore this to very nice standards. Very cool. Well, Toyota Sleeker, running an RB30 VL Commodore engine. Look at that. Very cool.
Treads go hard, hard up the street. That's Aussie garage. Aussie garage. We keep it real. Chrome and steel. That hometown feel. Engines roar, let the sound go large. You're rolling with the crew. Aussie garage. Yeah, Aussie garage. Built, not bought. Respect, earn, not fame. We saw it from the suburbs to the red dirt yard. We run this game. Aussie garage.
So he's got his 6x6 here, Amphibious Vehicle. That's pretty cool. I remember seeing the video about this, so check out his YouTube channel. He's, I think he had a motor fitted to it. No, it wasn't this one. It was something else, actually. I think it was this beast that he fitted, got a motor fitted to it, or did something, and it only does reverse. So forwards is actually reverse on it. It was pretty funny. I have no idea what it is. Looks like a bumper car. But I reckon he'll be going around low-po. Low-po. I reckon he'll be going around some nats on that, no doubt, next month. But yeah, this amphibious thing looks like fun. He's got the international truck there, and obviously it's slammed. Got all of his rim collection down here. Pretty nice, the Merc ones. Nice. Very cool. Big variety, big selection. Some of his prizes. Here's one, Mad Mike's events. That's pretty wicked. He's got to be happy with that. There's the Skyline that he's just given away. It's a piece of work, that. He's got a model of his bus there. That's pretty cool. There's a model of his VL. There's the Skyline. It's cool. Awesome. So let's have a look around this VL. Here's a purpose-built drift car with a very nice rotary engine in it. Decent dash plate. But yeah, all custom lower control arms and adjustable struts. Very cool. A lot of engineering. This looks like a whole complete bolt-on kit that's been fabricated up. I think it's all highly customized, obviously. It's pretty cool. Not sure what gearbox it's running. That's cool. Massive exhaust though. It's running the Willwood brakes in there. All cross-drilled and slotted. All the burnt rubber that's up in there at the moment. That is a killer exhaust. I love it. Was 5.0 Rotary. Cool. So this is running a Skyline differential, and that's why he's got the stance that he does. It's got adjustable uppers and lowers, and hopefully that comes out in the video. But yeah, all custom Skyline differential in here. That's why you can get the angles that he can with the wheels, the camber. That's awesome. done a few videos with his van now. This is a bit of a weapon. So definitely check that out. There's YouTube. Bit of a drift weapon, this thing. How close is it? Awesome. And he has passengers in here when he goes drifting too. Pretty cool. What else has he got going on here? Looks like a nice piece of work. Another project he's got. There's a Nissan. Yeah, okay. Awesome. Very cool. Lots of parts. Lots of bits and pieces. More rims. It's got heaps of different stuff here. There's one of the rotaries just sitting there. Very cool. Very nice. Look at the dish on that, eh? Amazing. Work wheels. Awesome. A couple of engines just sitting there. Very cool. He is working away hard at the Tirana. Man himself. How's it going, man?
Good, yourself?
Yeah, good, good. So have you finished it yet or what?
Oh, definitely not quite. 6 weeks to go and this is where we're at.
Jeez. Good luck, man. I wish you all the best with this.
Thank you.
It looks like you got some good helpers happening.
Yeah, I do.
Help giving you a hand with it.
Got someone good alongside me, which is good. So.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. I hope you get it sorted in time.
Yes. Got to hide my engine. Nobody knows what it is yet.
Oh,
Yeah, it's top secret.
that is top secret, and I will blur that out. So you're all good there.
Yes.
Cool. Geez, that looks like a piece of work.
Oh yeah, it's a lot of figuring out to do. Yes.
So unfortunately I can't give away what sort of motor he's putting in this, but it's going to be a big surprise and you wouldn't even guess it. So yeah, it's cool. So yeah, it's going to be interesting. Anyways, hope you enjoyed my little walk around. It's only a short one, but yeah, what a cool workshop he has here, and lots of different stuff around everywhere. Cool lifestyle Jay lives, so yeah, love it. Good on you, mate. Keep up the great work. Make sure you follow Jay on his Low Standards YouTube. I'll put the link below to that, and check out his new business that he has. I'll put that link below as well. So yeah, take it easy, guys. See you in the next one.
From the suburbs to the red dirt yard, we run this game. Aussie garage. Fuel in my veins, talk in my chest. Old school pride, that Aussie zest. From dino days to late night.
Thanks for watching this week's episode, everyone. And also, don't forget to check out the website. We've got some awesome merch on there. Maybe even grab something for yourself or someone else.
And we appreciate you guys supporting us.
Got scars.